Good morning. All right. I didn't get to do a video. It was raining, but I replaced this part. What I had going on was it was leaking from right here. And I didn't know exactly what was wrong, so I just replaced this whole thing. You can see the new caulk that I put on there. Something was wrong with this valve. The pressure causing it to drip, and it was leaking. Now you can see it's not. No leak, no water, no nothing. But I just want to do this quick video to let y'all know, don't be scared of this thing on this RV. It's 8 screws, 2 connections. You just loosen them, you put them right back on, you tighten it right back up with the screws, and I just put some silicone caulk around it. Super easy. If you have any questions, let me know. But not a big deal at all. And on my channel, you can also watch the video where I replaced this. I actually have that video step by step, but literally 3 or 4 steps on this thing and you're done. So don't be afraid of it. Do it yourself. 20 bucks for that part. Comes all in one kit with the screws. Take them out, hook them up, put some caulk on it, and that's about it. And then check that video out on this if you got any questions about that. It's on my channel. Thanks.